Hello and welcome everybody, welcome to Cornish Walking Trails. We've got a surprise to show you. Come here, come here, come here. We've got a puppy.
Got a puppy.
Baby, how are you?
Paradise private beach. Here we go.
This week's video, oh no, filming and puppy. This is going to be difficult. Okay, I'm handing it. Okay, so he's off running around the garden.
He's eating a leaf.
I'd forgotten how difficult it is to have a puppy.
It is, it's like having a little child running around, isn't it?
Yeah, so our little brown dog is now 9. And going back to that puppy stage, it's really intense. The first couple of nights he didn't sleep, nor did we.
No, not much sleep.
No, poor little thing, being taken from his mummy.
He's
like
settling
that.
in really well now, isn't he?
The other good thing that we found out when we picked him up from the breeder, he's actually related to our little brown dog.
He is, yeah. What are the chances of that?
Yeah, so the little brown dog's dad is the puppy's granddad.
Aww.
I know. So he's a half nephew to our current dog.
I'm going to have to rescue him, he's eating a leaf.
Yeah.
Oh.
I bet loads of you want to know his name. Well, you know that we don't tend to release our doggies' names.
Don't eat that.
Eating a leaf. So if you want to make up your own name for him, let us know what you think he's called.
Scamp.
That's one that there was several floating around when we did get him. You know what it's like, you've got to get that name right. It feels like such a responsibility, doesn't it?
Oh.
I think he really wants to go down and play. Like our older dog, the puppy is a cocker spaniel. He's a show type. We did investigate and consider getting a working cocker, and we spoke to one of the breeders here locally, and they did say it needs a lot of exercise and a lot of mental stimulation, and we concluded we couldn't offer that to the puppy. So we went for a show type. They're meant to be a little bit more docile, a lot more calmer. He's been brilliant for training. We taught him the day after we got him to sit, and he's so keen and eager to please, so that bodes well. So this little one is having his first lot of injections tomorrow, and he won't be allowed out on the ground for 4 weeks after that, is that right?
Yeah,
something like that.
So we're, well, once he's had all his injections, and we're going to be taking him out and doing some dog-friendly sort of walks, I think, aren't we?
Oh yeah, we'll maybe have a video, puppy's first walk.
So have we got a plan, though, in the meantime?
Yeah, we've got several already filmed in the tank, so to speak. So for the next few weeks going forward, the schedule shouldn't be interrupted. Recently we visited Sennan Cove and discovered some interesting stories about its past. Also a video around Cornwall Red Ruth about the Pasty Special, a tramcar service during the mining era. And finally we filmed a stitching project of Mevergizzy. We're also planning on getting a doggy backpack. Judging by the way he's chewing, I don't know how long it'll last, but we can give it a go, because obviously puppies, they have a schedule for exercise,
Yeah,
don't
I need
they?
that. Need that.
It's very distracting.
So we're going to put a doggy in a carry bag, are we?
It's a specifically designed one for a dog.
Right, and then it'll come out on the walks with us.
Yeah, so he can walk for a little bit.
Right.
So they suggest 5 minutes for every month they're alive.
Right.
So 5-month-old puppy can walk for 25 minutes and then you should have a rest.
Oh, good boy.
I know.
Yeah.
You want to be down there, don't you, darling?
So then he'll go on the lead for a bit, and then
Yeah.
back in the backpack again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So then that shouldn't interrupt our filming. They might be a bit shorter, or they might be longer because he's more cute. We'll film him more. I don't know.
I don't think people want to watch us. I think they want to watch this guy.
Yeah, I do too. Here's a montage of his first few days with us. over the next few weeks as he's growing up, we'll pop some little snippets maybe on Instagram, my stories, something like that, just to show you what he's up to, how he's progressing. I'm going to enjoy that. I hope you do too. I hope you find him enchanting. We do, don't we?
We certainly do.
He's a big distraction.
You're going to say goodbye now?
Yeah. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.